There are over 500,000 illegal immigrants in Canada. This is unacceptable.
Ruby Dhalla, Indian origin, bold promises, and now a major contender for Canada's next Prime Minister. But what's behind her controversial stance on immigration, and why is she making waves in the race for leadership? Here's all you need to know. Ruby Dhalla's story is one of determination. Born in Winnipeg, Manitoba, she is a daughter of Punjabi immigrants. Before stepping into politics, Dhalla worked as a chiropractor and even dabbled in acting. Yes, you heard that right. She starred in a Bollywood-inspired film, Kyun Kis Liye, and was a runner-up in the 1993 Miss India Canada pageant. At the age of just 10, Ruby captured national attention when she wrote a letter to then Indian Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. It was about Operation Blue Star and the unrest in Punjab. Gandhi replied personally, making Ruby's name unforgettable. Ruby's political journey began in 2004 when she was elected as Member of Parliament for Brampton Springdale. She made history by becoming the first Indian origin woman to serve for 3 consecutive terms in Canada's Parliament. Now, she's making another run at history to become Canada's first woman of color to serve as Prime Minister. With her candidacy, Ruby is trying to bring a fresh perspective to Canadian politics.
We must clamp down on human trafficking and those that are here illegally.
Here's where things get controversial. Ruby's stance on illegal immigration has sparked a national debate. She has promised, if elected, to deport illegal migrants and crack down on human traffickers. This has stirred both support and backlash. Her exact words on X, formerly Twitter, are, and I quote, "As Prime Minister, I will deport illegal immigrants and clamp down on human traffickers. That's my promise to you." End quote. It's clear Ruby is making immigration reform a cornerstone of her campaign, but it raises a tough question. Is this the right approach for Canada? Ruby isn't just about tough policies, she's also aiming for change in Canada's governance. In her campaign video, Ruby spoke about creating history with her election as the first woman of color as the leader of the Liberal Party and Prime Minister. She is committed to bringing the party back into the hands of its members, focusing on practical solutions to tackle Canada's challenges. Ruby believes it's time for a new direction, one that gives voters a fresh approach to leadership. However, Ruby's path to leadership won't be a smooth ride. She's up against heavyweight opponents, including Mark Carney, former governor of the Bank of Canada and the Bank of England, and Chrystia Freeland, Canada's former finance minister and deputy prime minister. The race for leadership will come to a head on March 9th when the new leader of the Liberal Party and potentially the next prime minister will be announced. Will Ruby rise to the challenge, or will her opponents take the crown? Ruby's leadership campaign is more than just a political contest. It's about redefining the future of Canadian politics. With a vision for change, a tough stance on immigration, and a history of breaking barriers, she's pushing Canada's political boundaries. Whether she succeeds or not, Ruby's candidacy is already proving that new, diverse voices can shake up the system. If she wins, she will inspire the next generation of political leaders in Canada and beyond. Stay tuned for more updates.